Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Facebook, even if you've changed it within the last 60 days. Let's jump in. So I'm just on my computer here, facebook.com, signed into my profile. You can also do this method on your phone or your tablet, whatever you like. I just have a bigger screen on my desktop here. And what we want to do is we want to head over to your profile picture up here in the top right-hand corner. And we want to go to Settings and Privacy and Settings. And we want to go into your Account Center up here with Meta. Select the profile that you're wanting to change. In my case, it's the Cosmo Moonward. And go to the name. And here it says you can't change the name because you have changed it within the last 60 days. Okay, so it won't let me click on this. It won't let me do anything. However, if you go up here and you go to Learn More and click on that, and you see here, it's going to take you to a page here where it shows you acceptable IDs. And what you can do is upload a photograph of your photo ID, driver's license, passport, whatever the case is, to be able to allow Facebook to review that and switch your name back to your legal name. So down here, you just toggle this down. It'll show you get started. It'll give you a help guide to kind of let you know how to do this. And you just go down here to upload an ID to Facebook, and it'll walk you through the process to be able to do that. You want to get your camera out, you take a picture of your photo, save that on your computer, and then follow the on-screen instructions. And once you've uploaded that photo, usually it takes a few days for them to review the information and confirm that you are who you say you are, and then you'll be able to convert your name back to your original name. And with that, you're able to bypass the 60-day waiting period as long as you're changing your name back to your original name or there was a typo or some other error. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.